Hello everyone. In last lecture, I taught Hungarian method in assignment model and especially I taught line step in assignment model. Now in this lecture, we will see unbalanced problem in assignment problem. So we are studying assignment model, Hungarian method. Now we will discuss this unbalanced situation, unbalanced problem. So as we discussed in last lecture, I have taken this same problem, but in this case now we have 4 jobs only. So an IT company has 4 jobs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are 5 operators A, B, C, D, E to do these jobs. The time taken by different operators to do these jobs are given in the table below in hours. The company wishes to assign the jobs to the operators so that total time taken by all the operators would be optimum. So in this case, we have 4 jobs and 5 operators. Now we need to allocate jobs to different operators. So as usual, first we will see problem is balanced or not. So in this case, we have number of jobs 4 and number of operators 5. This means this is not equal. This means number of rows not equals to number of column. So we can say this problem is not balanced. So is it balanced? No. So now first task to solve this problem, we will convert this unbalanced problem into balanced form. So first task is conversion of this unbalanced problem into balanced form. Now in this case, we have shortage from job side. As there are 5 operators and 4 jobs, so there is shortage of 1 job. So we will add 1 dummy job. We will include 1 row, additional row, and this is considered as dummy row, or we can say dummy job. Now we have 5 jobs and 5 operators, so the problem become balanced. Now next step, we will see the problem is of minimization or not. So we are writing, is it minimization? So your answer is yes, because again this problem is associated with time and time should be minimum. So that's why this optimum word means minimum. So this problem is associated with minimization. So this is yes. Now the next thing. Now we will solve this question using Hungarian method. So in Hungarian method, first step is row step, or we can say row minimum. So as we have this problem, so in this problem we will select minimum number from each row. So from first row minimum number is 130. So we will subtract this 130 from all the elements of first row. So this become 160 minus 130, that is 30, and next become 0 and so on. Now from second one, now we will take this minimum number from second. So from this second row, this minimum number is 120. So we will subtract this 120 from all the elements. So you will get this 15, 0, 10, 0, 55. So you will repeat this process for other rows also, and then you will get this table. Now in other cases, in previous cases, we have done column minimum in next step. But you will see in this case, as you have added 1 dummy row, you will see in last row you have all the zeros. This means you have at least 1 0 in all the columns. So if you have at least 1 0 in all the columns, then no need to do column step, because you will get same table. Now next step, allocation of assignment. So we will copy this row minimum table here, and now we will give allocation. So allocation means giving box and crosses. So first we will select single 0 row from the top. So from the top, single 0 row is this first one. So we will put box on that, and we will cancel out other zeros of corresponding column. And now again in remaining table we will search single zero row again. So from the top, this is already done, and this second row, in this second row there were two zeros, one is already cancelled. Now this only zero left. Now we will put the box on that and cut the other zeros of corresponding column. Now again, next single zero row is this third one. So put the box on that zero and cut the other zeros of corresponding column. Now this fourth row is with single zero row. So put the box on that zero and cut the other zeros of corresponding column. And finally, in the last row with single zero. So you will see in all the rows we have one box. This means your problem is completed. Now we will prepare final table to find total time. So from this is our original table with dummy blocks. So now we will allocate all these boxes in this original table. So this first is for this location, this first row B column, and second is this second row D column, and next is this third row C column, and this fourth A column, and last is this one. Now final table to calculate time. So first job operator B is allocated, and second job operator D is allocated, and third job operator C is allocated, and for fourth job operator A is allocated. And for dummy, this last this is not 50, we will write first name. So this is A job, and for dummy this is E job. And now we will write their times. So first is 130, this is 130, then next is 120, and next is this 110, and next is this 50, and last is this 0. Now we will find summation of this. So summation of this is 410. So this 410 hours is the minimum hour, minimum duration, minimum hours. So these are the required allocation for unbalanced problem. I hope you understand this concept. So please like this video and subscribe my channel Ganit Coach. Have a nice day. Thank you.